Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you guys how you can activate Gemini Assistant with your voice. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, you need to get to the Google, and after going to Google, tap on your profile icon and then tap on settings. So after doing that, tap on Google Assistant, and then from here, you need to scroll down until you see the option of digital assistants from Google. So after tapping on it here, currently you can see Google Assistant is selected. Here you'll need to tap on Gemini and select Gemini. Tap on switch just like this, and here tap on more, and then tap on use Gemini. So after doing that, here we have successfully activated Gemini as our Google Assistant. Now what you're going to do is again get back and then go back to the main settings, and on your main settings again tap on Google Assistant and then tap on voice match. So you'll need to activate your voice match if you have not done that. Currently it is turned off. You'll need to tap on this toggle button and turn on your Hey Google. After doing that, here you'll need to now match your voice. So simply tap on more again and then tap on turn on. And then tap on more again and then again on more and then tap on I agree. Now you'll have to say, okay Google, help me write thank you note. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Just like this, you need to keep on verifying your voice. Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Just like this, here you can see I have now successfully verified my voice. Now all you need to do is tap on done. And in here, if you want to save the audio that you use for your Google Assistant, you can tap on Start Saving Audio. But if you don't want that, you can tap on Not Now. And here you can see we have now successfully turned on our Gemini as our voice assistant. Now I'm going to go back and then I'm going to say, Hey Google. And here you can see now my Gemini has been activated. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.